Zoom is one of the world's leading communication platforms. We grew really fast, and kind of keeping control of everything was a challenge for us. Canva really helped in knowing that whoever's designing from this, they're going to do a good job, and it's going to be consistent with kind of those templates and guidelines that we've set. I'm Brandon Romonte. I'm Brand Creative Manager for Zoom. My design team really sets the standards for the entire brand globally. We manage hundreds, if not thousands, of assets while also servicing over 20 teams throughout the company. We had a lot of people that were non-designers that needed to create things, and we didn't really have a tool that was effective for them to use. Canva's really allowed us to scale globally and allowed employees, whether designer or non-designer, to collaborate on one platform. One of the most useful features for us personally is the brand kit. Is really just allowing my team some freedom to, create assets that can then expand to the rest of the company. Employees that weren't designers can go and self-serve and create content that still feels on brand. If I were to talk to a business leader, I would just let them know how much time they're going to save by switching to Canva. It's really going to allow your team the time that they need to focus on the projects that really matter.